13 accused in the Mughal gang war were granted conditional bail today. The Supreme Court has given the Goa government 2 weeks to respond on the Tiger Reserve notification. The Goa Legislative Assembly session is scheduled from January 12 to 16, 2026, with 5 sittings planned. Missing fishermen traced safe. Authorities took action following the NH-66 blockade. A Mercedes car overturned near Kottalam after the driver lost control. No injuries reported. The draft electoral roll for Goa has been published. Citizens can file claims and objections till 15th January. Goa University Executive Council elections postponed. ABVP and NSUI staged protests on campus. The Enforcement Directorate conducted raids at a Karanjali builder's premises as part of an ongoing probe. State seals 3 Anjuna clubs for operating without mandatory safety norms. Clara, Salud and Mayan Beach Club. Goa police brought the deported Luthra brothers to Goa after securing transit remand.